Microfilm and microfiche are films with microscopic images on them. They are often used as compact ways to save periodicals, such as newspapers and journals. The microfilms and microfiche can be found on Geisel West second floor. A designated microfilm reader is located nearby. To load the film, pull on the front handle of the machine. Make sure the glass plate is centered to avoid hitting the sides. When unwinding the film, unwind toward the top right. Put the microfilm on the silver spindle on the left side. Pull out the film's end under the roller through the glass and under the second roller. Then attach it to the take-up reel by putting the microfilm end inside the slit in the take-up reel. Turn it clockwise a few times and push the tray back. Use the blue bar or arrow to navigate the film. Insert microfiche under the glass and navigate by gently maneuvering the handle on the front. Microfiche is very similar to microfilm, except it is a flat page instead of a roll of film. Images are attached left to right, top to bottom. If you need further assistance, you can minimize the Microscanner app and view options to contact staff. Please reach out to us via email at libraryborrowing@ucsd.edu to submit your questions and comments.